Exposing the fun in learning English. Whether you're a kid or an adult, learning a new language can be an exciting adventure. Imagine the joy of understanding and using new words in your daily life. Today, we're going to make that journey even more enjoyable with a fun vocabulary quiz designed especially for beginners. So, gather your friends, family, or classmates and let's dive into this engaging learning experience together. You need to watch this if you struggle with basic words. This quiz is perfect for anyone who finds themselves puzzled by simple vocabulary. Don't worry though, by the end of this video you'll feel more confident and ready to tackle more complex words. Let's jump in. Question 1. Which one is a vehicle? Think about the things you see on the road every day. Vehicles are essential for transportation, helping us get from one place to another. A. Bike. B. Book. C. Plate. It's A. Bike. Bikes, cars, and buses are all vehicles that help us travel. Great job if you got that right. Next up, what is the color of grass? Take a moment to picture a beautiful park or garden. The color of the grass is something we see almost every day. A. Green. B. Red. C. Blue. It's A. Green. Grass is typically green, a color that symbolizes nature and freshness. Well done. Which of these is a body part? Our bodies are made up of many different parts, each with its own unique function. A. Arm. B. Chair. C. Apple. It's A. Arm. The arm is a crucial part of our body, helping us perform various tasks every day. Great job. What is the opposite of big? Think about the different sizes of objects around you. Understanding opposites is a key part of building your vocabulary. A. Small. B. Tall. C. Heavy. It's A. Small. Small is the opposite of big. Recognizing opposites helps in describing the world around us more accurately. Where do you keep your clothes? Think about your daily routine and where you store your belongings. A. Closet. B. Car. C. Bed. It's A. Closet. Closets are designed to keep our clothes organized and easily accessible. Well done. Which one is a food? Food is essential for our survival and comes in many different forms. A. Bread. B. Chair. C. Window. It's A. Bread. Bread is a common food item found in many households around the world. Great choice. What is the opposite of fast? Speed is an important concept in our daily lives, whether we're talking about moving objects or our own actions. A. Slow. B. Tall. C. Big. It's A. Slow. Slow is the opposite of fast. Understanding these concepts helps us describe actions and movements more clearly. Which one is a season? Seasons are different times of the year, each with its own unique weather patterns and characteristics. A. Summer. B. Phone. C. Tree. It's A. Summer. Summer is one of the 4 seasons, known for its warm weather and long days. Excellent. Where do you live? A. House. B. Table. C. Shoe. It's A. House. Houses provide us with shelter and a place to call home. Great answer. What do you use to eat soup? Think about the utensils you use during meals. A. Spoon. B. Fork. C. Knife. It's A. Spoon. Spoons are perfect for eating soup because they can hold the liquid. Well done. Great job. You've completed the quiz and done an amazing job. Learning new words can be fun and rewarding. How many did you get right? Count your correct answers and see how well you did. Comment your score below and subscribe for more quizzes. We hope you enjoyed this quiz and learned something new. Don't forget to share your score in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. See you next time.